Hello and welcome to Gardener's Cottage. We're in a beautiful little hamlet here, which is Hallbank Gate. It's about 3 miles outside of the market town of Brampton. I'm just going to turn around and just show you. We've got beautiful rolling countryside around us. We share this little hamlet with a working farm, but all secure in a way with their own access there. You can see how that works with the road coming down. And the cottage is in a courtyard. We think this dates back to about the 1700s. Former workshops, and beautifully arranged with the sun just capturing there in the courtyard area of an evening with a westerly aspect. This space here is all comes with Gardener's Cottage, so a place and space to park multiple vehicles in fairness. And when I get to the front door, I'll just pan round and just show you that space there. Now there is a pedestrian access over here for the neighbouring properties, but it all belongs to this rental at Gardener's Cottage. The little garden here out the front belongs to one of the neighbouring properties. It's beautifully kept. Lots of specimen plants in there, so you get the advantage of looking out to something very attractive without needing to worry about the maintenance. So let's take ourselves into Gardener's Cottage. This property has all been renovated, undergone a big upgrading by our landlords, and when you step in, you come into an absolutely lovely kitchen. So it's all been done in a contemporary style with grey basin wall units. We've got a washing machine, there's an electric cooker, a nice chimney extractor above, and a stainless steel sink. And it's a nice flooring down here and a good space. It's certainly space here for you to put a dining table and an excellent kitchen. You can see all the exposed beamwork at the top there. So lovely space, nice and light with the double aspect windows. And then we'll take you through into the bathroom. So bathroom's on the ground level. Again, all being finished in a nice contemporary grey on the walls, and all our splash areas are tiled. So you've got an electric shower which sits over the bath. We've got a pedestal wash hand basin. We have a low level WC and a chrome towel rail. And it's a tiled floor in here. So that's the bathroom, which is off the kitchen. There is a little inner hall between the bathroom and the kitchen as well, which hopefully you can see there. So you've got a nice bit of modesty and privacy. So let's take ourselves through to the living room. And this is a great size. There's a door, second door there, because I caught you in the kitchen door. This is the door out to that same courtyard. Lovely windows looking out onto that planted area. And this real historic feature stone fireplace. It is capped off, it's decorative, perhaps with some nice tall vase with flowers in there. It looked very homely. I'm just going to make this a little bit wider so you can see the whole room, and you get the beams there on the ceiling. Again, beautiful floors which have all been refitted on the ground floor level. Plenty of space in here for a sofa and chairs, television table there in the corner, and a great room, really nicely finished. So we take a look at the upstairs accommodation. So we've got 3 beds in total, and there's our run up the stairs. 2 of the bedrooms are doubles. One is a small, a kind of single, or perhaps a home office. And from our landing hallway, we get again another glimpse of that courtyard out to the front. So we'll take you into the biggest bedroom to begin with. Full of light, windows to the side elevation and front elevations, which gives us some nice daylight. And then we've got plenty of space for double beds. There are some wardrobes here which are freestanding. They could stay with the rental if you require. And we've got an airing cupboard in there, plenty of space in there for you to dry clothes. I'll just open that up. Our boiler is just to the side, or a hot water cylinder rather. So good double bedroom. I think we'll go over and take a look at the second double, which is at the end of the corridor. And here we go. So in this room, we've got, again, a double aspect. So I'm showing you the elevation here with the window looking out to the back of the property, and that's a country lane. Just heading out there to the left hand side. Follow that and you'll get yourself in Brampton in 5 minutes. And if I spin round here, you can see the full length of the room with a nice deep window, again looking out onto that courtyard, and the next curtain there just providing you with some privacy. So a good second double bedroom, and then we'll take our way into the third bedroom. So it could take a double at a bit of a stretch, or it's a single room. I think it's been used by previous tenants quite often as a home office. Again, with a view out to the rear, a country lane taking you to Brampton. And there you get a sense of the space in bedroom 3. And there is a wardrobe space there as well. So, Gardener's Cottage, absolutely beautiful. Fantastic rural location in this small hamlet. Available now with hunters. Do please give us a call and we'd be happy to arrange a viewing for you.